When we purchased our home, it had a solar water heater on the roof, similar to the one shown here. It also had a storage unit with it. It held a lot of water and weighed a lot. I noticed a few years later that the roof on our flat roof home was beginning to sink over the garage. I didn't think much of it because it was not leaking, and I really didn't think it would become a problem. Over several years, however, it would get water in the sunken part and cause the roof to sink more each time. After removing the sheetrock from the ceiling, I discovered that a few of the rafters had actually broken. I believe it was from inferior materials used in the original construction and bad placement of the solar water heater. The solar water heater worked very well sometimes, and sometimes it just didn't have enough hot water. I decided to replace it with an electric water heater that we connected in the garage under the solar water heater. At this point, it made sense to disconnect the solar water heater from the rest of the house and take it down. This would remove some of the weight from the roof so it could be repaired. After consulting with some construction friends and showing them what the problem was, I decided to try and repair it myself with the help of some of those friends. First, we removed the sheetrock from the side of the garage that was damaged, and using suggestions from some professionals, I decided to jack up the roof to where it was level and place new rafters beside the damaged ones. The new rafters were placed beside the old ones and nailed in place using a lot of nails. We used 2x10s that were 18 feet long. It did the job perfectly. After the rafters were in place, we put new sheetrock in and finished it off.